Got all the settings and everything right here. Easy to get to. You don't got to take off the mask and readjust anything. It also has like a little magnet on the side of the light. That's a big help. One click button right here. Change it, turn it off. You got your charger right here. Quick charging. Got a little indicator light too. It's nice. Not bad, not bad. Comfortability. Look at this strap. Holds your everything, man. Back of your head, top of your head, the front of your head. Secure twist lock. It's perfect.
I got this welding helmet off of Amazon. Comes in a nice box. Has some stickers if you're into stickers. Comes with a full set of directions. But if you've done any welding, most of the stuff is pretty easy to figure out. It has all the buttons on the side for sensitivity and delay. It has a switch here that you can do for grinding, welding, cutting, and then it has a guide inside the booklet for break.
Ponerle las baterías, como el revolú y todo eso. Sobre ese salvaje, mira eso. Tengo que quitarle eso que tiene ahí.